At O'Farrell Charter Schools, we understand that early childhood education lays the foundation for a lifetime of learning. Hi, I'm Cindy Wagner, the superintendent at O'Farrell, where we open our doors to students as young as 4 years old through Transitional Kindergarten program. This program is more than just traditional education. It's an enriching experience tailored for our youngest learners. Our newly installed playground encourages social interaction and physical development. From those first steps as O'Farrell Falcons in Transitional Kindergarten to soaring through high school, our programs offer alignment and consistency for each student. We provide our learners with opportunities to explore, imagine, and grow. Take the first step in your child's educational journey. Enroll today and unlock a world of possibilities.